Florida. I'll put in some pictures and videos just so you can see what's going on. It is... So gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. We're at the lot today. And yeah, we got a lot of people out here. It's just the start, bro. Look at the homies over here. Yo, bro. Hey, that's an 85? 85, let's go. Let me... No, yeah, I haven't seen it in a minute though. Hey, she's still clean. She's still clean. Let's go. He still got it. Woo. ATM 85 sounds good, bro. Oh, the chain! The chain came off, bro. Yeah, you always got something going on.
I found a lot in the way.
Yeah. If you don't remember, this is the homie from the last lot who on his 85. Let's go. Boy, out here, no shirt, Florida life. Florida life. Yoo-hoo. He handed me a Corona, dog. I can't even drink it, dog. Yeah, that was dope.
You want it? Yeah, I opened another. I just see you.
I was pretending like oh, in the sandals, bro. Let's go. Woo-hoo, coming in hot. Still going. It's that light work, light work. Boys, all day. Yo, quad battle, bro. I love just the quad battles because, like, it's so dangerous, if you feel me. Like, if a quad bumps into each other, it's not good. Just so you can see what's going on, it is... Oh my god. Yo! That was scary, bro.
I swear to God,
Man, I thought he was going over.
hands touch the ground. Look at that thing.
Hey, luckily for that scrape bar.
I hope you got that.
Oh, I got it, bro. I got it. Is it? Hey, is it recording?
Actually, I don't think it is. It's not blinking. Oh yeah, it is right here.
You want to ride that 150? Yeah? Yeah? Just be careful. She's my baby, so. Yeah, no, yeah. You gotta kick it. Here, you want me to kick it or? Cause it's pretty hard. What was your name? Say it again. Miedi. Marides. Marides. Miedi. You gotta hold and keep it up. All right, we're back on the MT-07. Boy's mobbing. Trying to race? My Honda 150 versus MT-07. Who will?
3 second head start.
Alright, yeah, bet. 3 second head start. So fast, dude. I know, I've seen the comments, you're like, bro, get an MT-07, and like, I don't know about it. Like, they're dope bikes. It's just, as you see, like, it's getting around that turn was so hard, bro. Like on the dirt bike, you can just swerve it.
I think it's
Yeah, bro. That's what I was saying, like around the turn, it was so hard just to get that to like go around it, you know? I had to like really lean. Let's go. Oh, they're coming in hot, bro. Woo. Woo. We got the Ginge out here shredding. Woo! We outside. Is it 450? Yeah.
Ride it? It's hype, it got a tune.
I'll try it, yeah, hell yeah. Anything, like everything's good on it, I don't even... Oh boy. No, I'll be careful, I'm not a quad rider. Yo, we're whipping it on a quad right now. Ah! Barely getting it. Let's go. She's shredded, bro. She got a half helmet on and everything. She's like, oh, no biggie. It's just vibes, bro. It's just vibes. I ain't gonna lie, the half helmet looks fire. Alright, we're about to go down a random trail. You should have kept going. Oh my god. Yeah, I love like getting a mix of trails and some real streets. Like it is some off-road and then some real streets. It's the best. Little daily donut and we off, bro. He's coming, man. No! Easy. Go, 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 go! Let's go! Oh, we're pulling up. Straight killing it, bro.